Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, we should do warm up exercise. Be ready, student. Everyone sit in a place. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Children, yesterday I told you do the workbook part. Yes. Recall you should do, I said. Yes. Check it. Is it right or wrong? Check. See, workbook part, recall. Multiple choice questions. Rupees 30 plus rupees 30. What is the answer? First one, rupees 30 plus rupees 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 3, 6. Rupees 60. Where it is? B. Option B. Next, rupees 33 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Where it is? 99. Option D. Next, rupees 10 into 1. 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. What is that answer? Rupees 10. Where it is? Option A. Understood? Check. Is it right or wrong? Check it. Next. Turn the page. Multiple choice question. Read the following price list and answer the questions that follow. Items. What are the items they given? A can of juice. Can of juice, rupees 35. Okay. Chips, rupees 20. Ice cream, rupees 30. Candy, rupees 15. See, here they give a list. Okay. In this list, you should see. After that, you should read the question and make the answer. See here. The cost of candy is, what is the cost of candy? Rupees 15. Yes, here they given. Where it is? Option C. Next, fifth one. What is that? Which item cost rupees 30? Which item is 30 rupees? See once? Yeah, ice cream. Ice cream is 30 rupees. B. Option B. Next, sixth one. The cost of a can of juice is. What is the cost of can of a juice? 35 rupees. Where it is? Option A. Okay, check. Next, fill in the blanks. We find the total cost of each item by dash the number of item by its rate. What you will do? What we'll do? We find the total cost of each item. Okay. By multiplying the number of items by the rate. Yes or no? We will multiply. Multiplying you will do or not? Yeah. Next. Next. While making a bill, we write the dash of the object, rate of the object. What will write? Rate of the object will write. Next. Ninth one. We dash the products, find the total bill amount. We add. Yes or no? We add the total. Okay. Read the given bill and answer the following question. See here the given bill. Pineapple 45 rupees. Watermelon 60 rupees. Apple rupees 80 point. Apples 1 kg 80.50 rupees. Rupees 80.50 paisa. Mangoes 1 kg 85 rupees. What is the cost of 1 kg of apples? What is the cost of 1 kg of apple? What is the cost of 1 kg apple? Rupees 80.50 paisa. Yes or no? Next. Which item can we buy with 45 rupees? What is that 45 rupees item? Which item is there? Pineapple. Pineapple cost is 45 rupees. Yes. What is the cost of 1 kg mangoes? 1 kg mangoes. What is the cost of 1 kg mangoes? Rupees 85. Understood, children? See, you should see this bill and you should make these portions answers. Okay. Next. Jigyasa brought a necklace for rupees 25, a bracelet for rupees 35, a ring for rupees 20 and earrings for rupees 53. Make a bill. The items brought the Jigyasa. Understood? Here they given Gita. Okay. That one cut it and do Jigyasa. Because question only wrong is there. Jigyasa brought a necklace for rupees 25 and a bracelet for rupees 35, a ring for rupees 20 and earrings for rupees 53. Make a bill for items brought by Jigyasa. Okay. You should make a bill. See, children, what you have to do? You should make a bill. First of all, see items, item and cost of item. Yes or no? See what she brought first? Necklace. Necklace rupees 25. Yes. Next. Bracelet. Rupees 35. Next. Ring rupees 20. Yes. After that, earring how much? Rupees 53. Total how much she spent? You should add 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 here 1 carry forward, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. See 133 rupees she spent. Okay. Next, make a rate chart to display the price of items, each items. Okay, what you have to do? Only you should write these names. After that, you should write the cost of the items. See here the given picture. As you should write the names of these pictures and you should write the cost of. You should make the bill. This you should write first 13th one right. After that 14th one I will give. Next, 14th one. Make a chart to display the price of each item. You should make a chart. Fourteenth one. Now you should use scale. Understood? Should use scale and you should draw the lines. Items cost. See what is that items they given? Notebook. First item. Notebook. What is the cost of notebook? Rupees 25. And next, sharpener. Sharpener, rupees 3.50 paisa. Next, colors. Color cost, rupees 37. Next, what is the cost? Scissor. Scissor cost how much? Rupees 25.25. Okay. Next, eraser. Eraser cost rupees 4.50 paisa. Next, what is that? Ruler. Ruler cost rupees 10. Okay. Next, 2 pencils. 2 pencils. How much 2 pencils? Rupees 10. Next, marker. Rupees 20.75 paisa. You should make like this. Okay? Right. Children, see 15th one. The rate of some items in a fast food shop are given in the box. See, the items that Sushant brought for his birthday party are given in the table. Make a bill and find the total amount that he spent. See here, items. What are the items he brought, Sushant? Sushant, see, pizzas, burgers, 2 pizzas, 2 burgers, donut 1, french fries 3, coke 1. Okay, you should make the bill. See, first of all, what you have to do, you should draw the items first. Item you should write. After that, quantity S, quantity. After that, rate per item. After that, rupees column, paisa column, how much you paid. Okay, see, Sushant, first what he brought? Pizza he brought. How many pizzas he brought? 2 pizzas. One pizza cost how much? Rupees 50. Okay, next, first item this is. Okay, next item, what is that item he brought? Burger. Burgers, how many burgers he brought? 2 burgers. What is the cost of one burger? Rupees 45. Okay, next, donuts. Donut, only one donut. What is the cost of donut? Rupees 20. Next, french fries. French fries, how many brought? 3. What is the cost of french fries each? 25. Next, coke. What is the cost of coke? One coke, rupees 30.50. See here, what you have to do? You should multiply this into this. Yes or no? Because 2 items. One item cost is 50. 2 item cost 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. What is the cost? 100 rupees. Understood? Next, burgers. 2 burgers. One burger cost 45. 2 burgers means 2 into 45. 2 fives are 10. 1 carry. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 90 rupees. Next, see, donut, only one. That's why 20 rupees. One donut cost is 20 rupees. Next, french fries. See, one french fry cost 35 rupees. Sorry, 25 rupees. 3 french fries. 25 into 3. 3 fives are 15. 5, 1 carry. 3 6 3 twos are 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 75 rupees. Next, coke, only one item. That's why 30 rupees 50 paisa. Now total you should do. Total cost. Yes. Total. See, here 0. Here 0 plus 0, 0. Here 5. That 5 you should write. Okay. Now 0 plus 5, 5. We are all zeros. 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21, 1, 2 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 315 rupees 50 paisa. Therefore, total amount that he spent, how much? 315 rupees 0.50 paisa. Understood, children? Next, 16th one you should do. 16th one you should do. See, I will wipe and I will write. Write fast this. Therefore, the total amount is spent. That one you should write now. That's right. Wipe. I will wipe, ma. Come, write fast. After this, you should write the sentence. See, listen. What you have to write down. Therefore, the total amount that he spent was rupees 315.50 paisa. Understood? Write down. Tomorrow you should do 16th one.